What's up, everybody? Welcome back to 573 Outdoors. Today we're at my farm. We're eventually gonna be putting food plots in. Until then, me and my girlfriend are gonna see if we can catch some fish. We haven't been bass fishing in probably, I'd say, a little over a month. I haven't been down here fishing in a little over a month. There are big fish in here. I have my PB in this lake of 9 pounds. So I fully believe there's a 10-pounder in here. We just have to find it. So that's the plan for today. I appreciate you tuning into this video and stay tuned. Oh, in case you all was wondering about the shirt giveaway, I'll be announcing that in next video. So stay tuned for the next video to see who's gonna win the shirt giveaway. But if you haven't turned your submission in yet, all you have to do is go to our YouTube page, get a like and subscribe. And then I think it's our second video is our boat tour video. You gotta comment, what do you think the name of the boat should be? And basically whoever I think I like the name best will win a free shirt and we'll ship it to you for free. I'm hoping that my dad will get here, we'll get all sweaty, you know, get the food plot put in, and then hopefully it'll cool down enough to come out and try to catch fish again. But we're at the next spot. Oh yeah, that's a good. Oh yeah. Whew. Ow. There we go. That's first fish of the day. Not too bad, probably a 3-pounder. Real nice fish. But put him back in the water. And he didn't take my bait. Hey, we're doing good. Okay, everybody, we got it all done. We're all fertilized. We're ready to go. I'm gonna run the mule over it a couple times, get that seed into the ground a little bit more, and then we're gonna call it a night. I'm sweaty, I'm itchy, and I want to take a shower, so let's get this done. Okay guys, that's it. I'm done. I appreciate y'all tuning into this week's episode of 573 Outdoors. Sorry we didn't get too much fishing done. It was just kind of it was a hot day and it was kind of hard to keep myself out there. We did catch 2 fish, caught 1 nice fish, but I'll keep y'all updated on the food plot as we go along, and hopefully in about a month, me and Sarah will kill one of the bucks that are on this property right off this food plot. But stay tuned for next video. I don't know when this video is going to be dropping, but like I said earlier, that we will be doing the shirt giveaway in the next video. I'll be announcing that next video, who wins it. So if you haven't put your submission in, go to my boat tour video and let me know what the name of the boat should be. So thank you for tuning in. I'll see y'all next time.